Good morning from Service Department. This is John William Wagan speaking. How may I help you?
Good morning. I would like to order breakfast under the name of Ayn Alzaga and my room number is 123. I would like to order a scrambled egg with rice and one glass of water.
Okay, sir. May I repeat your order, sir? One scrambled egg with rice and a glass of water. Is that right, sir?
Yes.
Okay, sir. What time would you be like to serve? The name is Mr. Alzaga. Your order will be served at 8 o'clock. Thank you for choosing room service facilities. Have a nice day, sir.
Okay, thank you.
Room service for room 123, sir. Is Mr. Alzaga.
Okay, continental breakfast. Omelette. Rice. A glass of water. Okay.
Thank you, sir. Room service, sir. Room service, sir.
Hi, good morning.
Room 123, sir. Mr. Alzaga.
Yes, come in.
Thank you, sir. Here's your breakfast, sir. One scrambled egg, rice, and a glass of water, sir.
Thank you.
Sir, where do you want me to put this?
Over there.
Okay, sir.
Thank you.
Here's your bill, sir. In this side, you will put your signature, sir. But first, check your bill, sir, before proceeding to signing.
Okay, thank you. Here.
Thank you, sir. I will be back in 1 hour to get your bill, sir.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you, sir. Room service. Room service. Good morning, sir.
Good morning.
Can I get your plate, sir?
Yes, please.
Thank you, sir. How's the food, sir?
It's delicious, especially the egg.
Is there anything you need, sir?
No, thank you.
Okay, sir. Thank you and have a nice day, sir.
Thank you.